A while ago, I covered a news segment about the discovery of a preserved adolescent horse, or a foal, that was discovered in the Batagai Depression in the Russian Republic of Yakutia. I told you that the foal was in remarkably good condition, and that, should anything else come of it, I would try to let you know. And, lo and behold, after some time has passed to allow for an autopsy and a bit of proper research to be done, there's a new study that was recently published about this 42,000-year-old foal. Dr. Semyon Grigoriev is the head of Mammoth Museum in Yakutsk. He was recently interviewed about the preserved foal, and gave a glowing description of its features. He said the internal organs were, quote, beautifully preserved, unquote. After citing some of its other remarkably well-preserved features, like its hair color, its hair structure, the reddish color of its muscles, and even some liquid blood that still existed in its circulatory system, he said, quote, "We can now claim that this is the best preserved Ice Age animal ever found in the world," unquote. The fact that the foal still has its hair is a big deal, as no other Ice Age horse has ever been found with its hair still intact. One of the scientists on the team was quoted as saying, "Our studies showed that at the moment of death, the foal was from 1 to 2 weeks old, so he was just recently born. As in previous cases of really well-preserved remains of prehistoric animals, the cause of death was drowning in mud, which froze and turned into permafrost. A lot of mud and silt which the foal gulped during the last seconds of its life were found inside its gastrointestinal tract," unquote. So this whole find is pretty exciting, because it's one of the best preserved bodies ever found, and it's telling us a lot about horses and life way back 42,000 years ago. The really exciting part is the liquid blood that they recovered. Within this blackened, cryogenically preserved fluid, they believe they can find and extract the horse's genetic information, its DNA, and they think that they can use this recovered genetic information to clone the Batagai foal, bringing a genome back to life after it's been suspended in death for many thousands of years. In this sense, the Batagai foal is right there next to the woolly mammoth, as an ancient species that could very realistically be cloned and brought back to life.